The American Silver Eagle, the world's best-selling, most popular, and recognizable sovereign bullion coin, and also incredibly expensive. Will I ever buy a Silver Eagle again? Hey everyone, thanks for watching Yankee Stacking. For years now, I've largely avoided buying the American Silver Eagle. I did fill a monster box of them prior to the pandemic and watched the premiums go ballistic along with you, so I subsequently swore off this Tier 1 stacking target of mine. I moved to hoarding silver rounds, a Tier 2 silver target for me. Quick side note, I just received 2 tubes of silver rounds from SD Bullion. These are the Scottsdale Cowboy rounds. They are gorgeous. Oh, man, I absolutely love them. I profiled them last week. Let me know in the comments if you got some and are as happy as I am with these rounds. And I got them, by the way, for under my personal premium limit of 20%. Just 15% to be precise. Silver Eagle premiums are way more than that, like 30 or 40%. And that's why when people ask me if I'm buying Eagles at that level, I say no way. The U.S. Mint has had production issues for years now. You probably know that. You probably also know that the U.S. Mint is required to not only meet public demand for Silver Eagles, but also buy silver planchets from suppliers at market value. These suppliers are not restricted by law like the U.S. Mint is. So, these guys offer to pay prices above spot, and they hoover up all the silver for their own product lines, and then they pass along the higher prices to the consumer. So they're sucking up physical silver on the market at prices above spot, and that leaves less metal available at spot for the U.S. Mint to buy and make Silver Eagles. So, in short, government regulations plus high demand plus low supply equals crazy premiums. Now, I heard through a dealer source that I have that the U.S. Mint might be increasing Silver Eagle production for the remainder of 2023. Might. And I don't know by how much, but when that happens, historically, premiums drop. Could that happen this year? Maybe. And if it does, if it drops below my 20% limit for silver stacking, I might buy more of them. Now, I did buy a variety of government minted sovereign silver recently. And I don't know what they are or their condition, but they're coins, not just rounds. And I'm going to do a show and tell with you. I'll even give one of them away to one lucky viewer of this video. But first, let me tell you about another deal I couldn't pass up, largely due to the dip that we just saw in precious metals. It's Gold Mining Inc. If you watch my channel, you know that I like to speculate a very small portion of my portfolio in precious metals mining stocks. And when I say small, I'm talking like 3 to 5%. That's it. I don't go bonkers with junior miners. But guys, stacking precious metals are for preserving wealth. Speculating in mining companies like gold mining is a way to highly leverage my personal belief in where the price of gold and silver is headed this decade. And that is up. Okay? So I'm prepared to ride this out for 5 years, 10 years, whatever it takes. Now, I already bought shares in gold mining back in 2022. I liked them then. I like them even more now. Is their price down since I first bought them? Yeah. Am I concerned? Nope. And here's why. Commodities in general are cheap compared to the S&P 500. Just look at this chart. Way down. Gold is cheap compared to the overall stock market. And I like that. I like to buy cheap. Mining stocks like Gold Mining Inc. are, as you guessed it, super cheap, about as undervalued as they've been in a generation. Let me tell you how cheap Gold Mining Inc. really is. I'll make this really quick, but this really speaks to me as a contrarian investor. They've got a market cap of $170 million, but they are easily worth $180 million because of their stakes in both U.S. Gold Mining Inc. and Gold Royalty Corp., another one I actually own. So $180 million. But it's really more than $180 million. Gold Mining Inc. owns gold deposits itself in North and South America that total 24 million ounces of gold equivalent resource. Guys, their valuation is all wrong. They have 24 million ounces of gold that are essentially receiving no value right now. If the market would value them correctly, that 24 million ounces could be worth as much as $960 million. That's like 6 times their current market cap. So they're undervalued. That's my point. In fact, one of the analysts covering Gold Mining Inc. has a price target of over $5 a share. Their stock is trading at less than $1. So there's a lot more it could go into. They've got great cash flow from Gold Royalty. That's huge. Their management is absolutely phenomenal. They have great jurisdictions, wonderful diversification. Guys, that's it. I'm not going to go into it anymore. Obviously, you do you. Don't just buy Gold Mining Inc. because I am. No, really, I mean it. Please don't. This is a speculative play. Do your own research. Be really, really careful. But I am adding to my position this week. I'm going to lower my overall cost basis. Anyway, let's get back to silver stacking, the stuff you actually hold to preserve your purchasing power relative to the dollar. I was able to get 20 silver coins right here from random sovereign mints, and I got them for a 15% premium. That's the same as those SD Bullion rounds. How did I do it? Well, first of all, they're random. I have no idea what they are. But second of all, they are cull or circulated. I'm guessing they're not eagles. They could be. I don't know. But by rights, the seller can send me sovereign silver that is all scratched up and worn. But hey, I really don't care, okay? They're sovereign silver government minted coins. Let's check them out. I wonder if I got an eagle in here. Is that it for that one? Nope. All right, so we got a kangaroo, and I'm looking at it carefully to see how messed up it is. Really doesn't look bad. Huh. Okay, it looks like I got a bunch of kangaroos. I'm trying to find out why. Okay, so let's pull this one. Nope, that's the flip. Man, that looks good. All right, let's just keep going here. We've got, there's a Britannia. Let's see if this is messed up. Again, cull, circulated, random. Okay, so I see a lot of milking on this one. Yeah, there's milk right down Britannia. Kangaroo, another Britannia. Is this one all milked up? Let's see. A little bit. This kangaroo looks a little milky. Not too bad. They're not as bad as I expected. I expected more in the way of scratched up. So Britannia, yeah, look at that. Got the king on there. Britannia. Oh, what's this? Cook Islands. Yeah, I guess that's a sovereign coin. There's got a date on it and a value of $1. So yeah, there we go for that. All right, let's tear into the other one. One of these I got to give away. Oh, I see Philharmonics. All right. Krugerrand. That looks good. Not bad. Man, they could have been a lot worse. Oh, Philharmonic. Again, 15% premium. A Philly, a Krug. I'm looking for something but ugly here, and I'm not finding it. This Krug looks a little milky. Just a bit. Oh, that little scuff mark on this side next to the Springbok. Yep. Okay. So, all right. So maybe that one. Another Philharmonic. That looks good. A lot of these are in great shape. Okay. So yeah, that one has some milk right there. A little scuff. And a little milk on the back there. All right. So let's do a Philly and a Krug. All right. A Philharmonic and a Krugerrand. So put the words silver coins in a comment below, and I will pull 2 winners on my next Ask Yankee live stream in June. US or Canada only. See the link in the description for full giveaway rules. So what do you think about stacking American Silver Eagles? What are your stacking premium limits for silver and gold? And would you consider buying low premium coins like this? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, I hope your day is A-OK.